Jamaica, shore fishing. Catch the vibes. Pull it up. Pull it up, 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 pull it up. Sun bust early on the Caribbean blue. Riding on me and yeah, me know what to do. Man take go be a breeze, kiss me face. Salt for me skin, yeah, me day in my place. Camera rolling, whole crew live. When the line starts scream, you know, say we arrive. Real spin fast, heartbeat quick. From the sea to the screen, yeah, we never miss.
When the water start boil and the rod them bend, every man pon deck know say this a win. Pull it slow, hold it firm, don't rush the fight. When Jamaican shore fishing, they are it right.
Talk Jamaican shore fishing, pull it in. Pop big wave rock, yeah, we ride in the wind.
Jamaican shore fishing, good morning again, guys. Big up yourselves. We're here this morning, beautiful Montego Bay this morning, guys. Getting ready to do some fishing. I'm watching the water here. The water looks like it's high tide, and I could get some good casts in here this morning. I'm gonna see if I can walk this beach without disturbing these people and head back to us. A ship is coming in because I see a lot of these vehicles parked out here. But we're gonna do what we're doing this morning and see what we can pick up. So stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. Let me get this camera up and running, and I thank you guys. Bless up yourselves. All right, guys. Yep, action time. So I had to change my rod tip this morning because I have a broken part on my rod, so I have to examine my rod like all the time. I broke the tip, the guide eye on the top on the last one, so I just replaced one of the tips from the other spare rods that I have. Pain in the behind sometimes, but welcome to the channel, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here this morning checking the waters to see what we can pick up early this morning, guys. Early morning lure casting. Setting my drag on this thing. Kind of loosed it up earlier. High tide this morning, so we'll get some good casts in here. Got an old ship right there. You don't want to get hitched on that. Get out there. Watching them, guys. Keep on getting hitched on the seaweed. Yeah, the depth there is good and everything, but watching that sun come up, guys. That's what we do. Also, you got to pay attention to your swivels, guys. Your swivels are very important on your setup here. Gotta make sure everything's set up and aligned properly, that when that line goes in the water, it's operating the way it's supposed to be without any kinks or any damages to it. Same thing with your main line. You have to constantly make sure you stay on top of it because you don't want any chafes or anything like that to be happening. Water is extremely clear. Chances of picking up something when the water lays like this back here is serious. I've hit tarpons back here, barracudas. I think I hit one of my PB on my light setup here at this location. 11 pounds 56, I believe it was. It was a crazy hit. Nothing. Working that lure, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel, guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are definitely amazing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Clod. Look at that barra, guys. Barra just ran it down, guys. Big, 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 big. Nice size barra, too. Nice size barra, guys. Nice barra, guys. It was a nice little 4-pound, 3-pound barra, guys. I seen him while I run up on the lure. Not going for it. He ran up on it, but he didn't grab it. Alright, this is what we're gonna go and switch off to that silver with a black back. Get rid of this blue. It's not giving me a good swim. I think this, I don't know. I don't know what to say. But I don't think it's my wire lead or my line. Same usual crystal minnow, guys. But what I'm gonna do, oh man, I just got hitched up in here in the bag. Not good. And got stuck by the hook. All right, let's get them both out. All right, we're gonna give him this one. He's here in the area. Give it a shot again, guys. Nice size barra too, guys. This bad boy, he at least 3 pounds, minimum. Boy, he ain't grabbing, people. I guess I spooked him. I guess he see me. He's hanging out someplace off here. I don't know where he went. I ain't hearing it. We're not gonna spook him any further. We'll move down the line and side cast him. I can trick him, side cast him from that point to there and run it back. He's someplace off here feeding, and I know he is. Keep that lure up. Nothing. Saw him, guys. Nice size barra too. Son of a gun, man. I just don't understand. How did he not grab that? Nice barra, guys. Darn it. You know me already, shore fishing in the barra. That's one of my favorite fish to catch. Just their speed, their agility, guys. That was a nice barra, guys. I don't even understand how the hell I spooked that barra a while ago. Highest I've seen this tide in a while back here. Nothing, Chase. I have to walk around this edge to get to the top. Oh shit, without getting wet. I highly doubt if there's anything in this corner. I wonder if I still have that pink lure in here, guys. I should. If I didn't put it up in the box yet. Yep, I do. I do actually have that pink lure in here. Even though one of the hooks on it is bad. But get this chest cam back up. And then we'll cast this pink lure going back. And see if it's the color situation that we're dealing with here. Because there's times of years that barras and all other fish just tunes into certain colors. After doing it for so long, you notice these things. YouTubers. Life. Living, you learn, guys. Everybody operates the same genuinity. I got some fries in the corner here. What? And I probably hit the biggest, stupidest fish on this lure, and this lure, the hooks is not the greatest. High visibility lure in clear water. Let's see what's up. A bunch of bait fish in the water here. This bucktail is normally a killer, guys. Alright, we got a couple of casts in here, nothing. We're gonna move down the line, guys, because right here is dead right now. I guess I'm gonna have to go on the other side, probably. Alright, let's walk around back. Head back around to the other side. Think we got a few casts too many back here. Shit, I'm about to trip and bust my ass in water, which I don't want to fall into. Would totally suck. Trying not to get wet today. But the plan was, just in case we was gonna do it, wade fish a bit. And get it in that way. Yeah, with this pink lure, high vis, fish tends to get territorial when it comes to other fish feeding in the area, especially barras. God knows if these hooks gonna hold up if they get hooked onto something. These hooks on this lure needs to be changed. I think they're cheap hooks that they put on those lures, so not like your Jories. Chased by a long jaw. Ooh. That boy's trying to grab it. Tricky little fella, huh? Seen that barra run up on my line earlier here. I think he spotted me, that's what happened. Got spooked. Tried him 3-4 times here, guys. He's not hearing it. Tried 3 different lures, and I haven't got one pickup yet. That's serious. Oh shit. Nothing there. Walk the plank. No, when we say walk the plank, what we mean, right? Shore fishing? We walk the shoreline. Oh, you suck. You know what's so funny? What are you stuck on? Oh no. Piece of bamboo. Well, shoes gonna get wet anyways. Let's get it. There you go. We had a plan on it. Yeah, that's about it, shore fishing. I think I had enough of here already. I don't think we're gonna pick up anything here. Oh shit, when did that get here? Oh, looky here, Ada. I didn't even see that till just now. He's making a Yui. There you go. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Look at this. Long jaw. Acrobatic, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Long jaw. Acrobatic fella, ain't he? Give a little bit of action, guys. Let's get him in here and get him off. Let's give you some line. See where you're gonna go. Come here. Come on, buddy. I'll release you now, come on. Let's get you in. We got a long jaw on the line, guys. I wonder if I should walk him down and give that barra a tempting touch. All right, come on, buddy. Let me get you in. Let me get him released, guys. Catch and release this morning. We're not going to keep this one. We got one already yesterday for what I wanted it for. But this guy got hooked. Oh, shit. I'm not trying to get bit here. Calm down, fella. There you go. Should be okay now, fella. Go on about your bad self. There you go. Off you go. Woohoo! Catch and release. All right, guys, I'm gonna do one more cast right here off this rock. And then we'll call it a day for this spot. We'll move down the line to a different spot. I got to do pee-pee. I got to go. Oh, man. All right, shore fishing. Cruise ship is coming in. Place is getting kind of crowded. We're gonna get out of here. We don't like the noise. Shore fishing. Next spot. Fireball. Cool, man. Hey guys, so high tide here today. We're gonna see what we can pick up. This other spot, this is one of my other favorite spots too. I do pick up good fish here at times. Don't tell me I hit something already. Seaweed off that drop off. All right. We're going to try to clear here in the beach. Let's see what we can pick up here in the grass. There's food here, so they'll be here. I'm hitting the right spots. These are some serious territory for barras. There's always some tarpons here in the morning, barras, all kinds of stuff. One or two traversing in the area, guys. Nothing. I see nothing. We might have to go to the next pier over there. Scan this water and I don't see anything. I have to walk down a little bit further. Hey guys, so I'm just weird this morning. I seen one barra down in the other spot this morning. He was pretty big, but he didn't grab, he didn't. Whoa. What the hell was that? That shit caught me off guard a while ago. That was a long jaw. Had to have been. Or I'm hitting grass. Had to have been grass. Oh, sweat. Got a diver in the water. That's why I can't get nothing. Not a damn thing. We'll walk the beach and see what we can pick up. I don't think we'll get nothing much here, but flex around and see what's up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Stay tuned. Got diver that's diving right in front of where I'm fishing. That's not going to work out for me in lure fishing. So just to keep the peace, guys, we just move. Just keep it flexing down the beach. And just look, search for a barra. The bait fish are definitely in the water. Bait fish are definitely here. So we're definitely walking the coastline down and seeing what we can pick up. The diver was right in front of me, so I couldn't do much. On fire. Well gone. Try to pick up 2 swimmers 9 morning, you know? Birds are here. That's a good sign, guys. Long jaw chasing. Birds are hanging out. It's working, guys. I watch these mooring ropes. I'll get hitched on them. If not, I'm gonna have to get wet. A small barra, didn't commit. Small barra, didn't commit. Nothing yet, guys. Whole bunch of, it looks like mullets or jack. Look like a school of mullet to me. Yeah, these bait fish are all underneath this boat. Jackfish are all under there too. Ooh, barra, got you. Look at this, guys. Barra, he hit that line. I knew he was under there. Come on, let's get you out. Barracuda this morning, guys. That's what's up. I knew he was under there. I felt it. He was under there, buddy. Knew you was under there. I felt you under there. I'm like, yeah, them jacks are under there and all the bait fish under there at the same time. Mr. Barra. Little fella. Let's get your mouth hooked up. Say ah, dumbass. Right, I don't want to bend my wily. That's why I'm not pressuring it, guys. I don't want to bend my wily. Let's get him rested down here. There you go, we got him out. All right, let's get that hook out. Safest way to handle these guys. So you don't get bit, one, and two, you don't have a hook going to your fingers or through any body parts. All right, guys? So get this hook out safely. Put that lure down nice and safely. We got ourselves a barra. That's what's up. Let's hang him here for a second. Hang him on the boat for a second. See what else was under there. I knew he was under there in that shade. It's definitely under there. Nice little barrow this morning. I was searching for you. I knew you was under that boat. It just had to be, because it's just the way the situation's set up. It was just too good of an ambush spot for you not to be there. Stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We're going down the line. Go and check where else we can cast out and pick something else up. Got one barrow. Let's see if we can pick another one up. All right. Look what I see, big boy. This is one I do right there.
Right, so why am I doing that?
I just have just one that around. So, be am I looking? So me hold one, yeah.
Yes, man.
One can't make dinner.
Oh, yeah, me.
Yeah. I hit me. I look for me. I go down your door. Far right. Well, on. There, brother. Bro, I just, the work, and then whole heap of little things that go on. I have some projects I work down on Round Hill. But me about the same way, man. Alright, bless the love here. So whole heap of mullet here, so you know. All you want one cast net to pick up every one of them here, so you know. Yeah. We could probably walk this beach, guys. I don't know. I'm not sure. We can try. The shallows is here, but then over there you have a little drop off. I've hooked barrows in that area before, but the way the diver is going through the shallows, sometimes it don't even make no sense to me to even go over there, guys, because there's nothing gonna be there because you done scared it off already. So that's the tricky spots with having divers in the water while you're fishing. It kind of dampens the situation a bit. Here goes another spot that storm like it damaged a lot of it, but I guess they're dumping the stuff up with old debris and stuff like that, which is terrible for the salt water because it's not good. But the storm damaged a lot of places back here, so the water has changed up a bit. But let's give it a shot, see what we can pick up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Ooh, I get hit by a long jaw. Whoo, snapper drops back in. Hey guys, one more cast this way. Snapper hit it a while ago, got off. All right, let's get back in that grass. Ooh, gotcha. Long jaw again. Little fella. Tangling up my damn line. Hope you ain't hooked. Oh. All right, you're back in the water. Yep, he's back in the water now. Bugger you. Let's move from this side. Gotta watch out for nails and all kinds of stuff that'll stick you, give you a tetanus shot. Some structure over here, ambush spots. Alright. We'll pause up from this spot, move on down the line, even though I did hook that snapper just now and it got away, but it is what it is. We'll continue our journey, stop at the next spot, see what we can pick up. Stay tuned in, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Nice doggy. Good doggy. You gotta love this to do this. Morning. Morning. Fence torn down. Look them go in there. Why not? No fence. Cool. We can totally step over there and go fishing. Yep. Sure fishing. I'm gonna try over here. Haven't been over here in a while since they took this over from the airport, but the storm must have damaged that fence, so that's how I got access, guys. Light line, not like when I was using heavy lines out here one time. Now I have the proper gears for this area. Never hooked nothing significant in here before. Never yet. Nothing, guys. Big old inlet, no fish in it. That's crazy. Or a fish gone hiding anyways. This is where I first launched my kayak. Ooh, fish on, guys, got him. Barra. Where you going? Gotcha. Look at this, guys. Barra. Got another one. That's what's up, shore fishing. There's a guy. I'm gonna throw him back though. Kind of small. You're a lucky guy today. If you're there, you're gonna bite. And I know that for a fact. Come on, calm down. Let me get the hook out of you and put you back. Not gonna kill you today. Well, if you hook me, I might change my mind. Oh boy, you got hooked pretty bad there, buddy. Yeah, I gotta unhook two of these hooks real quick. Oh shit. Ah boy. Barracuda, guys. Look at this fish. Nice fish, guys. Let's put him back. You're a lucky fella today. Knew he was close to the shallows. Ooh, another one. All hiding next to the dock here. All right, that's it, guys. We're heading home. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And stay tuned for more epic hookups with Jamaican Shore Fishing. And I thank you guys for supporting the channel. All the support you guys have given us has been great. We appreciate you. And bless up yourselves. And stay tuned until the next one.